Hi, welcome to Neem software. Today we are going to review the software for Payroll Assistant. This is the main interface. We have administration, masters, activities, finance and reports. Finance is nothing but a petty cash system. Go to administration and then user accounts. We can create the users in the system. Then from master info we can set the primary details of the parent company. Then from here we can create the sub companies, like if we have multiple companies we can add on the companies through this window. And from here we can create the branches, like how many branches you are having you can create it. Then on the masters we can have the employee records. This is where we are making the staff files. We can allot the employee name and which company they are belongs to and what is the branch and everything. You can add it over here. And then by designation or nationality, everything you can create it over here, and which day is their weekly off day we can mark it, and how much is the working hours, normal working hours, we can add it over here. Then on employee salary details we can give the employee salary details attachment, like passport copy, visa copy, everything you can scan it and attach in the system. And then passport, here you can add the passport expiry details, visa, labor card, and leave balance, Emirates ID info, contact details, contract details, health card info and license info. We can add it over here. And then from here we can set the OT percentage, like the overtime details and overtime calculation based on basic or basic plus allowance. We can set the details from here. Then room master to allocate the staff accommodations, so like if you are providing your staff accommodation we can add the room details, and through room allotment window we can allot the staff over there, like how many beds are there and who all are allocated in that particular room. We can add it over here. Then moving on to the activity side, we have timesheet. There are two options. Either you can import the timesheet from the biometric machine by date, time in, time out and employee ID, or you can make manual time in timesheet. You can select the employee manually and we can add how many hours they are spending on each day. So automatically the overtime and things will be calculated. Or if you are not creating that one, you can create the salary WPS directly as well. So directly means if you select the staff details from here, automatically the salary and details will come up. If there is any particular absent day is there, you can mark the absent day manually from the system and you can print the pay slips. So the pay slips are ready, and at the top your company logo and letterhead will be appearing. And then we can mark that if you want to take a copy of the timesheet, we can take the copy of the timesheet as well, and we can load the timesheet for the 31 days and then we can print the record. So it will be like the timesheet will be opening like this. And then from vacation window we can create the vacation details, like which day he is going on vacation and until which day he is permitted to stay over there. And we can attach the vacation document also, the scan copy documents of the application form we can attach it. And then advance payment is there, like suppose if you are giving some salary advance for any particular employee, we can select the employee name and number, how much is the amount you are giving and how many installments you want to retrieve it back. Let's say 2 installments, so 2500 per month it will be deducted, and from which month onwards you want the deduction to be started, you can set from here. And leave salary, this is how the leave salary will be calculated. We can select the employee name and from which date to which date the leave salary need to be calculated, and the calculation will be automatic in the system. Similar to that, if there is any penalty for the staff, we can add the penalty, and when you are preparing the salary it can be deducted. Driver details, to put all the staff driving detail, like other than your staff, if there is any activity. Here you can add the driver details, like if you have any project engagement and you are hiring some drivers, you can add the driver details into the system. and through this window you can attach the registration copy of the vehicle, and or you can attach it in the system. Then on gratuity we can, like end of service calculation. End of service calculation will be of termination and resignation. There are two types of calculations are there. We have permitted both. And from here, resuming duty, like if any staff is coming back from vacation, we can mark the resuming duty. So which day they are going to take, or they are returning back and they are joining back to the job, we can select it from here. And we have a leave application form is there, like through this window we can make the leave approval forms. If you select the employee name, it will automatically display the previous leave history details will be displayed over here. Then you can print the leave approval form. So from finance expenses we can post the petty cash expenditures. From reports we can generate all the payroll reports. Like if you want to see the profile report of one particular person, we can select the person name and then view report. It will generate the complete details of that particular employee. It will generate the report for that employee. Then here you can filter the details, like profile report, passport expiry, health card expiry. You can generate all the reports from the system, and then you can generate the WPS report. You can convert XLA3, XLA4 and zip file, you can generate it. And then salary summary report. Salary summary report will be giving you the salary for everyone, like basic salary, allowances, gross deductions, net salary, and whether it is paid by bank or cash. You can generate the details. So basically this is a very easy to use application. Thank you for your time. Have a great day. Have a great business. Thank you.